Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to highlight why I think everyone is talking about Fiverr stock. And I think everyone is talking about Fiverr stock for two main reasons. Number one, of course, being AI and how the business is going to be impacted by AI. And then number two is the trends in terms of active buyers and spending per active buyers on the Fiverr platform. So let's get right into this brief video, starting with the latter first, and then I'll talk about the former after this part here. Let's get right into it. So Fiverr CFO saying that they're seeing a very stable trend in terms of active buyers that is recovering. That's good news because macroeconomically, there's been a steep decline in growth. The businesses, enterprises have pulled back spending wherever they could because they are fearing a recession. So they are pulling back their spending in anticipation of a broader economic slowdown, which has been coming, by the way, for 9 months now, or you could even say 15 months, where people have been talking about a potential recession. So an interesting point the CFO makes is that 64% of the marketplace revenue is coming from repeat buyers. So most of Fiverr's business is from repeat buyers. That's really good news because that demonstrates that people that spend money on the Fiverr platform, they like the value they get and they come back and they spend more money again on the Fiverr platform. So that's pretty good if you're interested in Fiverr stock. Now, in terms of buyer acquisition, they ended up spending less than a typical first quarter. And that's because of the macroeconomic environment that I discussed earlier. Other small businesses are spending less than usual. So, what we saw in the first quarter in terms of total advertising demand or total marketing spending was a big decrease. In fact, it was down 7.5% in the first quarter worldwide. And what that does is that decreases the price per advertisement or the price per impression, the price per click, all of that. So Fiverr was able to generate the kind of performance it wanted, its targets, by spending less money than it thought it was going to need to. So that was a nice little upside surprise for Fiverr in the first quarter. And they saw nice growth in high value buyers that continues to be very robust. So that was really good for Fiverr in the first quarter. So on the AI question, Fiverr is super excited about that. It's an intriguing piece of technology. Now that is a big difference between what market perceptions are about Fiverr, and maybe management is being overly optimistic here. Maybe management should be more cautious, should be more aware of the potential harms that AI could do to the Fiverr platform. If people start to use AI and large language models more prominently and use them instead of hiring people on the Fiverr platform, that could slow down the business, right? That could create some decrease in buyer activity. It could decrease active buyers. So I would be a little more cautious if I was Fiverr, but maybe Fiverr is taking the opposite view because they understand the market is very skeptical of how Fiverr's business is going to react, and so Fiverr is trying to relieve some investor concern, trying to relieve that worry in the market today from shareholders worried about how AI could impact the business. Management is constantly, everywhere I look, management is talking about how excited they are about AI. And so they've seen a pretty significant uptrend in terms of the popularity within their catalog. And that's why you should expect us to continue investing in widening the catalog around AI services as they are being invented. So on the one side, yes, there is that risk of how its business could be hurt from AI. On the other side, they're seeing incredible popularity in terms of buyers on the platform looking for AI services, looking for people to implement AI services. And it's right now, it's just been a boost to the business. So maybe down the road, it could be harmful. But for now, Fiverr is just seeing benefits. So I guess that you can justify why management is excited about this. And you can also make the case why management should be a little more cautious about the rising AI trend. But at least for now, they're seeing positive impacts, right? So that's all I've got for this brief video, kind of highlighting why I think everyone is talking about Fiverr stock, the two big things happening with the company right now. All right, so that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.